The supercharged Hellcat V8 that built the TRX's reputation may not survive to see this truck's next generation. And that leaves Ram with one question to answer. Can anything else feel this insane? For years, the TRX won on pure brute force, a supercharged V8 that made the TRX a serious rival to the Raptor. Emissions regulations are closing in on engines like that across the industry, and Ram's next TRX is expected to answer with something completely different. Start with the face. The grille sits wider and taller, with LED lighting cutting a sharper line across the front end. The hood carries a functional scoop, not a styling afterthought. This truck still needs to breathe. Wide-body fenders stretch out to cover 35-inch off-road tires, and that stance alone tells you Ram isn't backing down. But there's a problem. A wide body and big tires don't mean anything if what's under the hood can't back it up. Step inside, and this is where the truck has to prove it's still special. Red stitching runs across a thick sport steering wheel. The seats get aggressive bolstering built for holding you in place at speed, not just looking tough in photos. A digital cluster replaces the old analog gauges, built to track boost and torque in real time. It's a cabin that splits the difference, comfortable enough for daily driving, purpose-built enough that you know this isn't a normal truck. Now the part everyone's here for. The old supercharged V8 is expected to be replaced by a twin-turbo 6-cylinder hybrid setup, with projected output landing north of 700 horsepower. On paper, that's not a downgrade, it's a different kind of insane. And this is where things get interesting. The old TRX won with brute force. This one has to win with how it puts that power down. A stiffer frame, updated Bilstein shocks, and a wider track designed to keep all that torque planted instead of just spinning tires. If that hybrid setup delivers as projected, 0 to 60 could land in the mid-3-second range, quick enough to embarrass most sports cars, let alone other trucks. That's the number that would settle the argument for good. The tech follows the same formula. A massive center touchscreen runs performance modes built for sand, rock, and pavement, while the reworked gauge cluster keeps boost and torque front and center for the driver at all times. Expect pricing north of $100,000 for a fully loaded launch trim, putting it in direct range of the Raptor R. At this level, buyers aren't looking at price alone. So does it live up to the name? A hybrid powertrain replacing a supercharged V8 sounds like it should be a step down. Instead, if the numbers hold, Ram may have built something that hits just as hard, just through a completely different kind of engineering. The Hellcat era might be ending, but if Ram can deliver this kind of power with a hybrid setup, insane isn't going away. It's just getting smarter. TRX or Raptor R? If this is really what's coming, which one are you taking? Let us know below.